If you want to log into Udemy quickly and securely, using SSO is one of the easiest ways to do it. Single sign-on lets you access Udemy using the same credentials you already use on another platform, usually Google, so you don't have to remember extra passwords. Start by opening your preferred browser such as Chrome, Firefox or Safari. In the search bar, type Udemy and open the official website from the results. Once the home page loads, look at the top right corner and select the login option. This takes you to the main login screen. Here you will see the standard email login, but just below it you will find the option to continue with SSO. Most people use the Google option, so select it to continue. A small window will appear asking you to enter the login details for your chosen SSO account. If you are already logged into that account on your browser, you may simply be asked to confirm your identity without typing anything. After confirming, the window will close automatically and Udemy will refresh, logging you into your account. You will now be able to open your courses and continue learning instantly. Using SSO is not only faster but also helps keep your account secure by reducing the number of passwords you need to manage. If something doesn't work, check that your login details are correct and make sure your browser is allowing pop-ups. Once everything is set, logging in with SSO is smooth and effortless. Enjoy your learning journey on Udemy.